All right, so when I am talking about reframing gratitude, by no means am I just saying people need to be more grateful and happiness is going to feed them. By no means. We're not actually talking about money at all here. This actually might be my Roman Empire, because this is a study that I think of often when I was first going to school for positive psychology and learning how to reprogram our brains, because our brains are wired for negativity. We know that. It takes 5 positive things to neutralize 1 negative thing. Our brains are wired to search for the negativity. So there was a study done with middle schoolers, 5th through 7th grade, for an entire school year. And all they did and all they implemented was at the end of every day, the kids had to write down something they were grateful for that day, something positive that they experienced. Throughout the day, their brains, knowing that they had to do that assignment at the end of every day, would start to scan and notice, what's my one thing I'm going to be grateful for? This started to train their brains to search for things in their life to be grateful for. And by the end of the school year, every single kid in that entire study increased their grades, their overall happiness, but it was like 2 grades, like C's went to A's and D's went to B's. Like, really truly shows that when we start to reprogram our brain to search for gratitude in our life, the outcomes of our actions and the way we see things and respond to things and perceive things completely changes. So when the way we perceive starts to change and starts to get reprogrammed for that gratitude, then the outcomes in our life changes. And when the outcomes in our life start to change more positive ways, that has a ripple effect that affects all the areas of abundance in our life, which includes money, relationships, all the fun things. I ask my kids, especially every night before bed, what is one thing that they are grateful for? Because learning how to train and reprogram our brain to search for gratitude can have life-changing effects when it comes to the overall outcome in our life. So it's really something we should be fucking doing in every school, everywhere. I don't know why we don't teach it everywhere.